Hey guys, just a quick video announcement for you. First, I just want to say, it's kind of nice that we have Monday to slow start. A couple of you guys have been emailing me, or I've seen you poking around the Google Classroom. Very cool. But I just wanted to show you where do you need to be first thing on Tuesday. So I wanted to walk you through that real quick, just in case you don't know. So hopefully you have this website bookmarked here to get to our Google Classroom. But if you go over to Advisory, you'll see you are in Sophomore 10th Grade Advisory. That should be right here. And that'll kick you over to Google Classroom of the Sophomore Advisory. Now, on Tuesday, okay, 9 o'clock is where we are meeting for our Google, our live meeting, which I'll have more information and I'll help you do your schedule and all that good stuff during that time. So that's where you click to head into the classroom. Just a couple norms, right? When you start up, I do want you to have your microphone turned off. And then your camera on while we do a quick community circle check-in. And I'll go over a little bit more norms of what we're looking for coming into a Google Meet. But as long as you join with the microphone off, that would be a good thing. Another thing to have ready, okay, is please bring your planner, okay? And then your schedule that you got in your planner when you picked up your laptop. So it should look something like this. Of course, it has your name on it and all that stuff. But bring that, have that ready to go, because we'll be filling that out and cross-referencing what the rest of your day will look like, when you need to be in certain meetings, and how to access all that good stuff. So make sure you at least bring that to our Google Meet. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday for our live meeting session. We'll see you then.